Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry key lime pie. It's a key lime pie with a blueberry compote topping. Let's get started. First we'll make the blueberry compote topping. In a medium saucepan, add in the blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. Lemon juice. Sugar. And salt. Mix them until combined. Then in a small bowl, add in the cornstarch and cold water and whisk them really well together to get rid of lumps. Add it to the blueberry mixture in the saucepan. Stir to combine. And place it onto the stove over medium heat until it thickens and becomes clear, stirring it occasionally. Once it's really heating up, stir it constantly. It will thicken fast and you'll end up with lumps if you don't stir it enough. Once it's thick and clear, keep stirring it over the heat for another minute to make sure all the cornstarch is cooked out and the mixture is nice and thick. Then remove it from the heat and set it aside for now. Then preheat the oven to 375 degrees. To make the graham cracker crust, add the graham crackers into a large plastic bag. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Crush them with a rolling pin until it forms fine crumbs. Add the crumbs into a medium bowl. Add in the brown sugar, melted butter, and salt, and mix them until well combined. Pour the mixture into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan. Spread it out and firmly press it down so it all sticks together. And bake it in the preheated oven for 8 minutes until lightly browned and set. Remove it from the oven and set it aside to cool, and keep the oven on at 375 degrees. To make the key lime filling, grate the zest from the key limes, or you can use regular limes. And juice the key limes, or a good substitute is to use half lime juice and half lemon juice. Strain the juice to get rid of the seeds and pulp. Then into a large bowl, add in the sweetened condensed milk, sour cream or plain unsweetened yogurt, the key lime zest, and juice, and mix them until well combined. Pour the filling into the cooled graham cracker crust. And bake it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until it's mostly set but still jiggly in the middle. Check on it after 10 minutes as this pie bakes fast. To know if it's ready, shake the pie and it should be slightly firm on the edges and still jiggly in the middle. If it jiggles all the way to the edges, the pie is underbaked. If it starts to puff up and crack and doesn't jiggle much, it's overbaked. Try and go for how it looks than how long it's been in the oven. I ended up baking mine for almost 20 minutes. So when it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely, and it will set up as it cools. Once it's cooled, add the blueberry compote on top of it. Gently spread it out until it's even. Cover it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least an hour until it's cold and firm, and keep it refrigerated until you're ready to serve it. When you're ready to serve it, remove it from the fridge, cut out a slice, and serve. And that's how to make a blueberry key lime pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.